I have such a full day today, and so I'm only gonna be able to stream for an hour. And my hair is like pretty crazy too. So cool. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna work on Remake today. Let's see, I'm just gonna connect to chat real quick and post real quick. Hey guys, quick stream today, just an hour. Okay, cool. So posted that. So yeah, today I'm gonna just like kind of take it easy. I'm probably actually gonna only go until 2 p.m. Um, my yeah, there's a thing coming up very soon that I need to prepare for. I'm doing like a surprise for someone's birthday. So I need to work on that and get to work on that in an hour, or I'm not going to have enough time to prepare for it. So yeah, that's the news. Let's see. So yep, stream online around 1 p.m. I did tell someone I was going to be streaming at 1 p.m. today, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll probably start late. Let's call it 1 p.m. And I'm still late for that, and I'm not even streaming for the full amount of time. But whatever, we're not going to worry about that. Okay, so I'm making these amazing remake docs right now, explaining like every type of data attribute and what it does. So let me just keep doing that, I guess. Okay, so data I editable. Let's see. This attribute makes the current element editable. I think that's not exactly accurate. This attribute, new attach this attribute to, I don't know if I'm actually going to get anyone to join the stream because I didn't post it any of the normal places I post it. But who knows, maybe. So when you attach this attribute to an element, clicking on it. Oh, nice. Andrew, how's it going? Hello. Oh, Salvin, how's it going? Welcome, you guys. Yeah, you guys are the true fans. People, you guys are awesome. My hair, though, is crazy. I kind of wish no one would come because my hair today is like really kind of has a mind of its own. But yeah, I guess that's not the worst thing. Um, how are you guys doing? What is up today? Salvin, we had a meeting this morning. We did a call, Andrew and me, with the developer, and we planned out the whole project. But yeah, maybe we can touch base soon and talk about it because there's some pretty, I don't know, just fun stuff. But anyways, they both told me that they didn't even know how Remake worked, and so now I'm working on some documentation. We're doing it tomorrow too. So if you want to join in, um, it's we're going to be doing it 9 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. But yeah, it'll be fun. And we're using this really cool software called Tandem, which allows us to like screen share and chat together. And it's a pretty cool little piece of software. Oh, that stinks. Yeah, no, I figured. Yeah, too bad. If it was like, so this was painful for me to even ask, but if it was at 8 a.m., would it be better? Because we could move it to 8 a.m. It would be a little hard for me, but I think I could manage getting up at 8 a.m. That wouldn't be so bad. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, I don't know if you were really dedicated to this project. You could get up at 7 a.m. and go to work by 8, and then, no, I'm just kidding. Uh, Yeah, no, it's no problem. I mean, if I don't know, maybe next week. Let us know. The thing is that Andrew is in a time zone that's like 7 hours ahead of me or 6 hours ahead of me, and then the other guy, Catalan, is 7 hours ahead of me. Um, so the time zone thing is just a little hard to work with. But I don't know. Maybe we could find a time where everyone could meet. Yeah, you're 6 and Catalan is 7. Yeah. So it's kind of hard to find, like, like if we were gonna do a meeting at like 6 p.m. for like my time, like after work, it would be like midnight and 1 a.m. for them. So that's not really feasible. And then like if we wanted to even just do like midnight for us, that would still be like super early for them, like 6 and 7 a.m. So the only time that I think really works is very early for me, like 8. I guess we could do like 7 a.m. Uh, that would be hard for me, but I could do it, honestly. 7 a.m. wouldn't be too bad. I've been going to bed earlier lately, so that could help. Um, oh yeah, by the way, guys, just so you know, I only have 45 minutes or 47 minutes left of the stream because I have to prepare for someone's birthday party and I didn't schedule enough time. Um, can we do a quick call on the weekend sometime or at all? You have all the time in the world on weekends. Yeah, totally. I don't think maybe uh, Andrew can, but I mean just us can, totally. I don't want to have Catalan work on the weekend, but yeah, I agree with this. You know what? I just actually saw, um, not saw. I heard it was on a podcast or something where someone was talking about usability testing, and they were saying they had these two fields. What was it? What site was it? It was a site. It was a really popular site. Oh, you know what it was? It was Weebly. Yeah, Weebly created a new sign up form and they decided to remove the confirmed password so that it would be easier to sign up. So they just had the username and the password. And they showed it to a bunch of people, and the people were like, okay, this is great, but where do I sign up? And they were like, what do you mean? Like, isn't it obvious? You just sign up there. And they were like, oh, obviously, it says sign up, of course. And what they realized is that people don't parse it, they don't understand it as a sign up form unless it has like 3 fields. If it just has 2 fields, they just see login. So I think from a usability perspective, this makes sense. Um, but I think what they did is they just added a name field. So you just had to put in your name, email, and password. And then it was obvious that it was a sign up form. So I'm going to copy this into, oh man, now you guys get to see all my private documents. Okay, there we go. New document. I'm going to just paste this in here just in case I have to review it later. Scroll down here. That's awesome. I love it. That's really funny. Okay. Um, so wow, you even did timestamps? That's amazing. Just a heads up, I gotta escape for about 10 minutes and about 14 minutes because I have to go. That's funny, 14 minutes. Some really, really, really bad data. Oh, wait, no, there was one more really. Really, 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 really bad data. What's the really, 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 really bad data? Okay, so I'm going to read through this. So if the sub-objects get merged into the parent object, why do you need to set these data O-type objects to the sub-elements if it's going to get saved to the parent object anyways? If I have, for example, data L key site heading, what would the key on the object be? Better question. What does data L key site heading going to do for me? I got a little bit confused by being able to have data L key site heading multiple times and being automatically updated if edited, but not with a data L key text. What? Should be the same. Data L key text should be the same as data L key site heading. I don't know, I might not have explained it that well in the video. Just wanted to point out the good use of a visual example showing the full object gives a clear view of how the data could be nested. Okay. Don't worry, we're almost done. Saving. Special type extend also extends nested arrays. Yep. Yes. Yes. I'm still unsure on how the edit theme example works. Like, how would you call the dark mode data? Which attributes would I need on the button to make the dark mode data editable? These are good questions. I think you finally get the data O key text and data O key ID does after looking at the to-dos HTML in the video, but you're still confused about the data O key. Okay. There's a difference between data O key and data L key text. So with data O key text, the value is stored the value is stored in the value of the attribute, but with data L key text, the value is stored in some other property of the element. So it could be in the inner text of the element, or in the inner HTML of the element, or in the source property of the element, or the title property of the element. Why does node return with two ports? Yeah, that's super confusing. One is like the live reload server, and then this is like the main server. But yeah, no, you're totally right. I want to find a way to remove this one. If you want, totally look into that, because if you can get that to be removed without silence, so the important thing is that if there's an error, it's going to show up in the node console, right? So I need to be able to silence this without silencing the output from, the bundler or whatever, right? So that's kind of a difficult task, but if you want to take that on, what is a data I key? We already got data L keys and data O keys, which are confusing enough. Yeah, that's true. Creating items, how would I be able to set defaults like that? Am I supposed to create my own JSON file? Yes. You're supposed to create your own JSON file in this. There's no function. Routing, great visual example about routing. Okay, good. So it also does render logged in users page. Yes. How would you check if a user's logged in or not? I think there's some data called like property called is logged in. You're missing a lot of visual examples. Yeah, I think you're right. You look into that port thing once you're done playing around. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to get you that documentation very quickly, very soon. I'm working on it now. Yeah, I think you're right about the visual examples, totally. So does it look for a template file or looks for item name? or does the front end look for the item name, passes it to the back end, should look for the template file and sends a rendered version back to the front end. So when you're using the data new attribute to create new items, one option is it's going to look for the partial template file. The other option is that it's going to look inside the item name property. So it can be either or. Around 109.15, you started to understand the data new attributes. Yeah, confused on what. So item name is just a way to refer to the inner template so that you can reference it later from the data new attribute. It's kind of like I wish it wasn't necessary, but it's necessary. Okay, good. Oh, yeah. I just saw the heading. So speaking of people who don't know it's a sign up page because they don't read that it just says sign up. Yeah, I didn't read this heading. I was just like, I skipped right over it. Um, okay, cool. Yeah, inner text, right. Under the hood. And you also got this added. Yeah. Yeah. I think the unique IDs are still a little confusing because if you don't add the data key ID, if you don't add this property to every element that has a unique ID, its unique ID is going to get overwritten. So it's really kind of confusing actually. Um, but yeah, that's how it works right now. So I don't know. I think solving that problem is probably an existential threat to Remake's future because it's really not clear how that's happening. But yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is here. I'm gonna save this under Android's feedback. I don't know how many D's you have. Oh, just 3. I thought it was more than that. Okay, there we go. Test. You're saying test because we're not responding to you? Whoa, you're orange now. How are you orange? What? That's it. I'm banning you. You've hacked the system. I'm gonna ban you for hacking the system. How do I ban you? I can't ban you. Oh, you're lucky I can't ban you. What? It didn't work, Solvin. You said it would work. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, there we go. Hello. Wait, what? I'm not changed. I am. Ooh. That's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, you're unbanned. Okay, so let's continue to go over this. I don't know about here. Let's see collaborative Markdown editor. Can I do this? Hack MD. Okay. Do you guys have any suggestions? I don't know. It'd just be kind of cool to. No, this looks good, right? Free. Okay, let's try it. A collaborative-based Markdown editor. We're gonna look at that. Um, Yeah, well, I don't know. I'm writing README files so often. Okay, let's look at this. This is kind of cool, but I don't think it's collaborative. It would just be nice to like get feedback or like have people be able to read stuff that I'm working on. But I don't think this is gonna allow. Oh, you know what I could do? Um, this is kind of a nice one. I might get that later. Oh no. Okay, here we go. In a nutshell, I decided to use Stack Edit with Google Drive. Stack Edit, Google Drive. Stack Edit is what I'm using. Can I sync it with Dropbox? Synchronize. Dropbox. I don't want to restrict access. Oh no, you guys are going to see my passwords. Secret. Oh no, it's just a screen asking me if it's okay. Okay, save on Dropbox. Okay, let's see. We're going to save it to better safe than sorry. What? What are you guys talking about? Oh, Android has a new color. Nice. I like your new color, Android. I actually am not a super fan of my new color. Let's see. Color. Hot pink. Test. Test. I like that better. Nice. We all got our favorite colors? Okay, so, oh no, I'm in my private folder again. Okay, so we're gonna go to blot. Okay, here we go. So let's go to Dropbox. So we're gonna do apps and then blot. So we're gonna say, oh wait. Oh, I'm still in the secret scene, so you guys can't see anyways. Nice. Okay, I should just leave that up all the time. Then I would be finally safe. Okay, so we're gonna say blot and then remake docs.txt, I guess. Or I think I can do MD. Okay, let's do that. And let's see if it synchronizes. It did! Woohoo! So now I can go to blot.im, which I haven't used in a while, even though I was meaning to use it like every week. And now, we don't have collaborative editing yet, but we do have the ability to see it in progress. This is awesome. Oh man, the formatting sucks though. What the heck is up with this formatting? Man, I was all about blot until this day. Until this day came and ruined my dreams. You maybe got a platform. Okay, see you, Salvin. You maybe got a platform. Simplenote. But does it allow like commenting on a live file? Oh, geez. Okay, so I don't like this formatting at all. It supports Markdown and sharing between other users. Let's see, Simplenote. The simplest way to keep notes. Share a list, post some instructions, or publish your notes online. Okay, I'm sold. Let's go for it. Wait, is this Markdown? Markdown. Yeah. Okay. Open on the App Store. Wait, this is made by Automatic? Aren't these the people? Yeah, that's the WordPress. They just got a bunch of funding today. I think they just raised 300 million or something? Something like that. Do you know WordPress, even though it powers like 60% of the websites, is only worth $3 billion? Isn't that crazy, crazy? Okay, sign up. Let's lock out the screen again. Secrets. Password generator, please. No, I don't like this. I like the last pass. Oops. I like the last pass password generator. Okay, we'll just copy that from there to use it in our application. Okay, boom, confirm password, sign up. Simplenote, and we're going to confirm our email address. Guess with what the application is made. I don't know. What is it made with? You guessed it, Electron. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Oh, they don't even confirm my email address. That's weird. Okay, so now we've got Simplenote, and we're going to say new note, and we're going to just paste everything from where we had it in here. Oh no, what happened? Where's my new note? Okay, my screen's still hidden though. Let me unhide my screen so you guys can see my pane. Oh, nice. That's also made in Electron. Okay, so now I'm in Simplenote. Okay, I created a new note there. But this, I'm going to trash. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a really weird interface. Like, they don't have any separators between your notes or anything. I don't know. It's kind of nice. It's kind of whatever. Okay, but they don't have... They don't... Oh, there we go. Formatted. It's not really that great formatted. Let's see. What? Oh, wait. Here we go. Preview. Okay, so you can switch to the preview mode. That's okay, I guess. Publish to web. Let's see if this works. If the formatting's off, it's done. Let's see. Ooh, that's not too bad. So this is what you use to share your feedback with me. Okay, so yeah, this looks good. This is not bad. I like this. By the way, this is what I'm working on right now for you, Andrew. Oh, strike through doesn't work. I don't really use strike throughs, so that's okay. Oh yeah, I noticed that your strike throughs like were totally all over the place, right? Let's see. I do. Wait, does this one HackMD work? This one's not bad either. I kind of like this one too. Does this have collaborative editing? Real-time collaboration at scale. Okay, let's look at this. Let's just play around with it, right? See what it's like. Sign in via Google, Artify. We're gonna do, what is this beta thing? What do they say? Oh, it gives me the beta version. Okay, sure. New note. And we're going to copy from here. Yeah, I think it's pretty nice, to be honest. But I like the idea of having a side-by-side view instead of something. So like this one will show me what I'm doing as I'm doing it, you know? Whereas Simplenote, I have to like switch between the preview and the editing. I do like it though, it's pretty cool. And then this one I think allows collaborative Editing. I don't know. Maybe not. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Watch. One online. Choose a user to host. I think I have to invite someone to my team, I guess. And then I can... Maybe it'll work with that. Let's see. Collaborative notes. Okay, how do I get out of the beta? Original overview. Submit and switch to original overview. Okay, so now I'm out of the beta. Create new note. Profile features. Features, workspaces, image upload. This is kind of cool. Save a note, permissions, slide mode, embedded note, view, edit, YAML. How do I invite people? They, like, one of the first things they advertise is collaborative editing. And then they don't show you how to do it. Workspace, that sounds right, but share. Oh, just copy the URL. Okay, so not safe for streaming. So see if you can go there and edit. Yeah, I think you can edit. So feel free to leave me comments there by commenting. Ideally, don't change anything. Well, come on, you can. I know you can do it. So I guess, yeah, I guess you do to create, share, and comment. Okay, well, I don't know if you can change it. I guess, maybe I'll try signing in as a different user. Okay, wait, I have to hide my screen again. No, I don't think I have to hide my screen, right? Oh no, I do, because I'm going to bring up one password. Okay, let's do this. Sign in as David. Okay, just to see if I can edit it. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. Oh no, jeez. Andrew. Oh no, it's ruined. It's ruined. Okay, so that's interesting. I guess host? Am I the host? Oh, I'm now live. What does that mean? What does it mean? I don't know what that means. Okay, well, anyways, if you want to give feedback, please comment over here. You can change something if you see like it's an obvious error, but I'm really trusting you. Okay, so let's go down here and let's fill out the rest of these. Okay, so data I editable. Okay, adding this attribute to an element makes clicking on it trigger an inline edit popover. It by default are there secrets? By default it will, what did I say up here? Okay, the syntax for the value is dun, dun, dun. Oh, jeez. Okay. I have to go in 19 minutes, guys. Okay, so the syntax for the value is, oh, and I should close all this stuff. And I'm going to delete this thing. Okay. And I want to leave this up. Oh no. And I got rid of, where was I? What was the thing I was using? No. HackMD. There we go. Okay. Edit mode. There we go. Okay, so the syntax for the value is key, we'll say some key name, and then I don't know how to say it. It's going to be like edit type, I guess. Sure. Edit fields, edit type. Sure, just edit type. And we'll say like some key name 1 and some key name 2. Okay. It's the primary way. Share button in the top right. Oh. View mode. Oh, that's interesting. Read, write. Well, I just wish there. What is book mode? This is a pretty cool tool, to be honest. Right. I don't know. I want to have commenting. But not editing. But I don't think where? Oh, there we go. Commenting. Okay, everyone. So that's weird. Why wouldn't they just have that inline? Isn't that weird? Yes, those beeps are chat. Yeah, it's kind of loud, huh? I'll turn that down. Okay. Sorry about that. So, yeah, that's weird that they have that in there. Okay, so now I can say write is just owners. Publish. Okay, so now if I go here and I sign in, yeah, hide my screen again. Jeez. Okay. I guess Android could just test it, but only owner can edit it. Okay, nice. That's perfect. So now I don't have to feel weird about sharing this with the whole chat because not everyone can edit it. That's good. But you guys can still comment on it, right? Okay, adding this attribute to an element makes clicking on it trigger an inline edit popover. This is the primary way of making data editable in Remake. Currently, only 2 types of edit fields are available. One for short text, text single line, and one for long text. Text multi-line. But in the future, there will be near future, there will be edit fields for images, numbers, dates, images, numbers, dates. What's another type of value you might want? Common input value. Let's think like you're in Google Docs. Awesome. Thank you for testing it, Andrew. I really appreciate that. Images, numbers, dates. What else might you want to enter? I guess we'll just say and dates. Or we'll say dates, etc. Okay. The syntax for the value is this. This will create a popover, or let's see, and a data editable attribute with this value. Hey, GrayFox2692, how's it going? How'd you find out about us? And are you curious about this framework, or are you working on your own thing? Data editable attribute with this value will trigger a popover that edits 2 fields at once. Okay. However, most of the time, cool. That's awesome. Are you learning JavaScript? Or are you learning a framework? Are you learning HTML and CSS? What's your area of study? You won't need to provide a value since this attribute defaults to editing. Ooh, Java. That's cool. I don't really know Java at all. I only know JavaScript. That's awesome. How is it coming along so far? I think Java's pretty big at like Google and like Microsoft or a lot of the big tech companies. Okay. You would like to change your favorite coding language from JS to Java, please. Thanks to GrayFox for reading you that it exists. Oh, you didn't know that Java existed before? Oh, reminding you. Oh. Okay, I see what's happening now. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's do an example. For example, you did not forget about it. It's been a while since you did something in Java. You like Java more than Python? Python is such a nicer language. Why did you like Java over Python? For example, div data o type equals object data o key name, or we'll say first name, David. To be honest, you want help with some code. Oh, sure. Yeah, paste like a gist in chat. Do you know what gist is? Go to here, you can create like some code to share with us in chat. Or just use your own code sharing solution. Edit first name. And by the way, I'm not going to be able to help with this, but Android might be able to. Int stream range 1 to 5, I guess? And then you're mapping it. Oh, I actually kind of understand that code. It's just a little weird. I would get the 1.5. I wouldn't think that would represent a range. Wouldn't that represent a float? That's crazy that represents a range. So you're mapping it to this, so you're, what are you doing? You're raising every number to the power of 2. So you're raising the number 1 to the number 5 to the power of 2. And then you're reducing it, passing to the first iteration of reduce the number 1. And then for A and B, you're doing A plus B. So you're adding 1 to the first, so you're adding 1 to 1, because 1 to the power of 2 is just 1. So the first thing returned by that is going to be 1, or no, it's going to be 2, I believe. Oh wait, no, you're reducing it. So sorry, you're only going to end up with one number at the end. But what's the issue? Is it not working, or as far as I understand it, you're trying to get the numbers 1 to 5, and then multiply them all by themselves, and then add the result all together. That's what you're trying to do? Okay, so then I'll do data I editable. The above will create an inline edit popover when you click, or after you click on the edit first name button. I'll just say button. After you click on the button, it will default, since no value is provided, it will default editing the key first name. Let's see, what did Andrew say? Never learned Python, seems too different than what you're used to. You like Java because it's very object-oriented, makes it easy for you to dynamify it, and it weirdly just fits with you. Hey, S1 Paco. But yeah, Gray Fox, why don't you tell us what's wrong with this code? Boom, 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 boom. Oh man, is this not going to work like at all? System out print line. Oh geez, I bet this doesn't do anything, huh? Let's try it. Stop, run. Yeah, well, it's an int stream, so maybe it doesn't know how to print that. I don't know anything about Java. Int stream. Oh, wow, that took forever. Cannot find symbol. Int stream. Oh, so I bet I have to import that, huh? Java int stream. How do I get this int stream thing? Import. Ay. There we go. Run. Let's see. It takes forever, huh? Just to run this. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, you're right. You did need a comma. Yeah, just do what I'm doing. I'm like a Java expert. Yeah, this is a good example right here. "21. I got it. My code works. I'm the best." um, so you get 21 from that. So I wonder what happens if you put in 0 here. You should just get 20. If you're interested, I can share it with you. What's your name? Gray Fox? What is a Java? It's just .java. Create public jest. I don't know if this is useful for you, but there you go. Oh, shoot. I changed your 1 to a 0. That's my bad. Because I just wanted to see what it would do. There. Now it's back to how you had it. Yeah, you got 20 if you put the 0 instead of the 1. Okay, so yeah, it's taking in the argument slightly differently than I'm used to. Is it idiomatic in Java to do this? Because I know in JavaScript it's okay. But is this crazy in Java? I bet it works. Because it has a semicolon to end the line, so why would it have a semicolon to end the line if it didn't work? 21, boom. Okay, so this is actually a much nicer way of doing it, in my opinion. I think this is more readable. Is this for a class, Gray Fox? Are we doing a homework assignment? I can't believe I just wrote my first Java. That's pretty cool. Oh, what is this? Print line. Oh, I messed it up. Print line out. Print line. Oh. This doesn't really make sense, actually, the way I did it. Let's do... how do you do a variable in this? Int d. Okay, int results, and we'll do that. And then we're going to do like that. Learn in Java. Give us 21. There we go. I don't know if this is better than what we had before, but whatever. Maybe it is. It's not. It's totally not better. This is awful. I like this better. I like it all on one line. What did I do? Okay, anyways. There we go. I don't know. I don't like code golf, but this looks terrible to me. That's nicer. That's weirder, but I don't know. Whatever. That's fine. Okay, so Windsock, welcome to the chat. You've arrived just in time for me to finish the stream. It will default editing the key on the since as closest data can find. No, you didn't. It's I don't know, it looks kind of fun. But no, I love JavaScript. This is useful. This is useful for this attribute is used on any kind of input. All right, geez. Input element in order to make this attribute is used on any in order to have it. Oh, Gray Fox, thanks for following. I appreciate it a lot. This attribute used on okay. Use this attribute on any, I should say type of input element in order to make it, in order to allow it to edit the data on another, on an ancestor element. Yeah, that's fine. Use this attribute on any input element. For example, select, what are the other ones? We have like text, I guess. Text. Text area. Checkbox. Radio. Select. Checkbox. Radio. Use this attribute on any type of input element. For example, this. In order to allow it to edit the data, in order so it can edit the data on the closest ancestor element with a matching key name. The ancestor element will be found by matching the name property on the input element to the data, to the key name of a data O key or data L key attribute. Okay. Optional. These are usually these input elements are usually inside of inline edit popovers. However, if you want to use them outside of a popover, and have them trigger a save every time the data changes, give the data I attribute a value of this. Okay, and we're going to just say to do, to do, to do, to do, to do. Okay, and let's say, for example, to do. Okay, so I gotta go, guys. It's been a lot of fun hanging out. I am sorry that this is such an incredibly short stream, but yeah, I will be on tomorrow from like 12 noon until like 2 or 3. So I'll probably try to do like a 2 or 3 hour stream tomorrow. But who knows? I've been really busy lately. But I hope to do at least a 2 or 3 hour stream tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And Andrew, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.